Greetings to all lovers of luxury wrist watches. Today I want to talk about Omega watches. Of course, let's take a closer look at Omega brand watches. This Swiss brand is considered one of the leaders in the watchmaking industry. This brand has a variety of watch collections, from sports to classic models. This watch has a steel case, which has a size of 36 millimeters. The case is made of high-quality materials, which guarantees durability and reliability of the device. Also, the glass of the watch is tempered, which makes it more durable and resistant to scratches and bumps. The watch is equipped with Omega automatic mechanical movement with automatic winding, which ensures accuracy and reliability in operation. Thanks to this mechanism, the watch has a power reserve of 34 hours, which allows it to work without interruption and does not need constant winding. In addition, this watch has a gold-plated steel bracelet, which matches well with the design of the case and gives an elegant look. The dial is in excellent condition and has clear numbers and indexes, which makes reading the time more convenient. All in all, this Omega watch is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and accurate timepiece. Despite some slight signs of wear, they are still in good condition and can serve their owner for many years. Be on time with Omega. Best wishes, your Citadel watch. Goodbye.